Doesn't look like anybody's in either of them. Oh, they're moving. Wow. Yeah. There's that one. And then there's the other one. Almost there. Huh. There's the other one. What company did these?
I forget. It was some like Italian company. These elevators have had nothing but problems ever since they were installed.
Yeah, I can imagine. So this is at the Hudson Yards metro station, or subway station. And there's Dan over there. Do you know when these were put in?
They're like 15 years old, roughly.
Okay. There's a view on the other side of the
I think they're around the
tracks.
same age as Bert.
There's the pits for them. Watch it dock.
Now, the station opened in 2015. So
Okay.
A few years before that.
You can come on in.
Let them have it.
All right.
We'll get the end.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty full in there. Let's wait for it to start moving. You can see the elevator we just got out of going back up. Those escalators make a ton of noise, too.
I think the escalators are permanent.
Oh yeah, and you can see the Caterpillar tracks that they run off of. Yeah, it's almost here. Watch it dock into place. Go back up to the upper mezzanine.
Oh, this is the one with the eye that's weird.
Yeah, the indicator, it almost looks like something you'd see in Asia. Here we go. Definitely a very cool elevator system for sure. But as we all know, cool doesn't always mean reliable. There's all the ropes there, as you can, if you zoom in, you can see them moving.
The other one.
Yep. And here we are.
They used to come into level a lot closer than they do now.
And here we are. So what are your thoughts on these overall?
They were very poor choice here. They were unnecessary, but
Yeah. Well, they're pretty cool, so I mean, there's that, I guess. Well, that's it.